Functions with conditions. Hi! In the previous video, we saw how to write code using operators inside a function. And as I said before, we can write different things inside a function. So, in this video, let us see how to write a condition inside a function, and shall we see it with an example? Let us see if you are eligible to attend a party by checking your age. How to do it? We are going to write the if and else condition inside our function to check it out. Let us go to Python and create the function first. Yes, we use the def keyword and write the name of the function. Here we shall give the name as party underscore check and put a colon and put brackets before the colon. Then let us say your age is 9. Now press enter and with the tab space let us create a variable called age to store the value 9. Press enter again and now let us write an if condition to check if your age is less than 18 and put the colon at the end. Now press enter and for if condition again you will get a tab space and here write the print statement as wait to party out within quotes. And now press enter, then delete one tab space and write else and put colon. Press enter again and with the tab space write the print statement as a, you can attend the party within quotes. Please make sure that you have a tab space after the function statement and also in your if and else condition. Then we shall call the function. How to do it? Press enter and delete the tab space. We write the name and put open and close brackets to get the output. So we write party underscore check open bracket close bracket. Save the file and run the code. Because the age is less than 18, the output is printed as wait to party out. Yes. Now let us go to the code again and this time shall we change the age to 19? Now save the file and run the code. Because the age is greater than 18, this time the output is printed as you can attend the party. I hope you understand now how to write conditions inside functions. See you all in the next video with another interesting topic. Bye bye.